Alright, enough of this. Let's have fun. These are fun to draw when you're in a meeting at work. It's like, what the heck are you drawing? So the emitter is on this side, okay, of the flat. So in the schematic, you notice the emitter is up. So what I do is I just plop that in my breadboard so emitter is up. So it doesn't matter, like if I put it the other way though, emitter's down. So I don't want to do that. So I'll put emitter up. So we know that this leg right there is emitter. Okay, cool. Need green light, our sacrificial green light. Okay, it's emitting what? Negative. So we hook the negative to the emitter. Just like that. Alright, it's being hooked directly to the positive. So if we go from here to here, it's positive. So we can hook that up to a wire. So if we want to change that for breadboard-ish, we can just go like that. Sometimes you see that. Okay, so now what is it collecting? It's collecting negative. So we can hook the collector up to the negative. Okay, the base is right here, and it's hooked directly to the photocell, and the photocell is hooked to negative. Boom. It's already on. Sweet. Doesn't have much play yet. Okay, so in comes our potentiometer. We're going to plop that bad boy down. I'm going to hook the negative up to it, just like always. I'm going to hook the positives up to it, just like always. And then the middle one's that orange dude. So if you see, the adjuster is hooked right to the base too. Boom. So that's the middle pin, and there's a lot hooked to that middle pin. So now we have, oh, this is going to be hard to see. Okay, we have the potentiometer, the photocell, and then the middle of the transistor. Okay, what's it do? Okay, wait, it's already doing something. Getting near. So when it is dark, the light goes off. Yay! So good. Okay, but if you notice, I have the adjustability here. So let's say I want it really bright, then it goes off. That's really helpful, right? Okay, sweet. So we have a reverse night light. Good for insomniacs. Okay, now get better eyes sometimes. Did I say the 3904? I want to see this little dude. That was a 3906. Oops. So that was 3906 in there. Sorry, the things are so small. So that was 3906. Okay? So 3906 made a useless nightlight. Okay, I'm going to put 3904 in. Right in its place. Okay, what's this do? Okay, it's light. Okay, it's lit. Let's turn our... Okay, cool. Oh, did you see that? Did we just do? I think we did. Let's turn the light off. Yay, a night light. So cool. So the 3904, you see, makes a nightlight. And 3906 makes a useless nightlight. Normally on, normally off. Very cool. So obviously if you wanted to get rid of, let's say I wanted to get rid of that potentiometer. Okay? Maybe I don't want to waste that in circuit. Maybe I want to make something really lean, right? So right now it functions quite well. Look out, I get real near it, and it turns off. So what could we put there? See, always doing this. This is what you do when you do electronics. You say, what could I do to improve this? What could I do to improve this? So we're going to read the ohms of this. So 7K. I don't know if we have a 7K. We have a 10K, I think. We have a 5K. That might work. Here's where it gets tricky, though. Here's where it gets tricky. Let's get rid of all that. Get rid of all this. Nope. We need a 10K. Oh, and I see what I ripped out. We're not collecting anything anymore. Oops. There we go. Gotta collect something. Oh, there it works. Okay. So I accidentally removed my collector. And there we go. Okay, lights on, right? It's kind of just a little bit though, not much, but a little bit. It's perfect. I like how bright it is. So it's super sensitive. Look how. So that's about 4 inches away. So it does work. It's barely lit. Again, I'm going to put the 5K in there just to compare it. Okay, it's completely off now. No. And it goes into positive, by the way. So unfortunately, it would probably take maybe a 20K to get it to turn off all the way. Other than that, it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. It's cool. It doesn't look like it's on. It's slightly on. So I'm going to do one of these. I'm going to put this here. And then I'm going to jumper another 10. Oh, there we go. It worked. So 20K worked. So I jumped it. And let me show you what I did there. So from the positive rail, I jumped it, connected these two wires together, and then ran it into the base, the middle. And it's completely off now. And when it's dark, it's completely on. Boom. No math involved. How could I make it better? I could replace this cable with a 100 ohm resistor for safety. I don't know if this is 100 ohm. It's not as bright, but it's safer. It's pretty bright. Uses less energy now. Okay, I saved myself an electric bill. So I think that's as much as I can make this better. And I will update my schematic for the changes. Make 2 variations. But other than that, I hope you enjoy it. This is fun now that we're starting to get into throwing a bunch of stuff together and showing you what's capable of. And now that we have transistors, we can use a few transistor circuits. There's hundreds of them, if not 1,000 transistor circuits that we could pull from that will be fun for the class. So I hope you enjoyed.